Hello, my name is Tamara. Welcome to my channel. I'm making here a perfect glazed holiday ham. It's easy and delicious. I have here a 9.5 pound fully cooked spiral cut ham. I need to let it sit at room temperature for 1 hour. Three juice of 3 oranges. Orange zest from 3 oranges. Half a cup of grainy mustard. 2 garlic cloves. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, chili powder, and paprika. And 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're gonna do apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Turn on the pan. Sugar. Seasonings. The orange zest. The juice. A pinch of black pepper, a pinch of salt, now preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooking this on medium-high heat, I'm stirring all the ingredients until they're all mixed well together and let it come to a boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm turning down the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. I'm setting a timer. And stirring occasionally, making sure it doesn't burn. Now it's been 10 minutes, I'm gonna turn it off and the glaze has thickened and it's ready to be put on the ham. Okay, now I got my ham flat side down into a roasting pan and I'm gonna pour half the glaze, brush it onto the ham and making sure to get in between the slices too as much as I can. And then we're gonna use the other half later after we roast it a little. Please let me know in the comments below, how do you make your ham? I would love to know. Now I've got my ham all glazed. I made sure I got as much as I can in between the slices and saved some glaze for later. And then I'm about to pour a 1/4 cup of water in the bottom of the pan. Now I'm gonna put foil over the pan and tint the pan loosely with the foil and bake for 10 minutes per pound. So I have a 9-pound ham. I'm gonna bake it for an hour and a half minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Up around here. Yo, this is how Big Mama be cooking up in here. Get ready for that ham, y'all. Get ready for that delicious ham, y'all. Yo, check it out.
Okay, so we don't need the foil anymore.
Yummy, yummy, yeah. That's what's cool about a spiral ham too. It's like already pre-cut, kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, we can take that bone. That bone is right there. We're gonna make some beans.
You ever had tan beans?
Yeah.
Oh, I was just about to say that. Is that what you're talking about? The red or the white navy beans? What do you call it? Northern beans. Hand hocked beans.
Yeah, my grandma would be proud of me.
Wow, so yummy. Okay, so now that it's been cooking for an hour and a half, I took it out and took the foil off. We won't be needing it anymore, and turned the temperature up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And now I'm pouring the rest of the glaze over the ham and basting it. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. So good. Look at it, I put the rest of the glaze over it.
Oh yeah, it's wrong. So good.
This is my first time making a ham, you guys. Alright, now we're gonna put it
He's got a hammy gun. He's got like, where's your bullets at?
Mine's in right here.
Oh, it's not right here.
Mine's right here. Okay.
That
You
is
got
very.
something outloaded?
Yeah.
I got more than him.
So it's been in the oven for 15 minutes. I just took it out. I'm basting it one more time and then put it in the oven for another 15 minutes uncovered, and then it'll be ready to serve. I'm making some mashed potatoes and gravy and some green beans on the side. Yeah, it's yummy, huh, Maddie? Maddie said, "Ooh, I want to eat." Okay. Yeah, good job. Maddie's a big fan of my food, huh?
All I need is the food to survive.
Alright, let's see.
Are you sure about that? 'Cause until you taste it.
15 more minutes.
29 more minutes. Have you seen your mother's cooking?
What are you talking about?
Oh no, I'm talking about this movie I saw. Look, I got one left, mother.
Oh, yeah, that
Why are you telling us?
because it looks delicious.
on here. Yellow. No. Oh, green, orange, blue, red, white, yellow. I'm ready. You go, girl. Not you, but you go too.
You can also look in the description box below to find the recipe and ingredients for this video.
You just complimented the ham and you got it right? Okay. You complimented! Alright. This woman is complicated. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now. Fancy it looks.
Like cheese.
That looks very fancy.
So this ham we made on Christmas Day and it came out so delicious. And then we saved the bone and made some ham hock beans, which I will have the video linked in the description box below. Put that in the gravy, it'll be so good. All the mashed potatoes.
Really?
There you go. Serve that. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this recipe, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy.